ice, I guess they call it hail. The ice falling down from the ground, really bad. Saturday, about a little after 12 noon, it's ice hitting the ground out here. It's like really cold. Los Angeles weather, man, you can't figure it out. Earlier this morning, the sun was out. Oh, that was some lightning, lightning and thunder. We got ice, little small ice. Saturday was 22nd, February 22nd. It just started right now, around a little bit after 12 noon. 12:45 right now. Well, I was on my way to the library, which is the library just a couple blocks, but I got hit with this storm. This ice started falling down to the ground. There's still a lot of ice coming down, hitting the ground. So I had to take cover. I'm up under this little high-rise building. I had to take cover. It's coming down really bad. The rain, the water, the rainwater, and also some ice, little small ice particles hitting the ground. Lightning and thunder. This LA weather, man, is really unpredictable. You can't figure it out. The sun it was actually real hot earlier today, around, like, let's say around 10:30, 11 a.m. The sun was out. It was like 80 degrees or something like that, 75, 80 degrees.